It's fair to say that Rockall Safety's partnership with Teledyne Gas and flame detection is going from strength to strength. This is because Rockall is constantly looking for ways to help our customers find products that best meet their needs, and as it happens, Teledyne have a great product lineup of very capable and competitive products. We recently had the privilege of visiting one of Teledyne's manufacturing plants in France. Not only was the size and scale of the site impressive, the amount of dedicated production lines, the stringent manufacturing processes and the sheer quantity of products being produced gives confidence. Not only that Teledyne Gas and flame detection produce well-made, reliable products. It also confirms that thousands of companies worldwide choose Teledyne Gas and flame detection to protect their workers. For more information, give us a call, subscribe or go to rockallsafety.co.uk.